Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the shop.
Do you sell fruit here?
Yes, fresh fruit is right over here.
I need bananas, please.
How many bananas do you need?
10 bananas, please.
10 kilos or 10 pieces?
No, only 10 pieces, not kilos.
Oh, I understand now. Here you go. No problem at all.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are always welcome.
Everything looks very fresh.
Yes, we try to keep it that way.
Excuse me. Where can I find sugar?
The sugar is on aisle 3.
Aisle 3 or aisle 5?
Aisle 3, near the rice section.
Thank you. I see it now.
You are welcome, sir.
Is this white sugar or brown sugar?
This one is white sugar, very fine.
Perfect. I will take 1 pack.
Good choice, it's very popular.
Do you also sell brown sugar?
Yes, that is on the next shelf.
Do you have fresh bread today?
Yes, we bake bread every morning.
Can I reserve 2 loaves?
For today or for tomorrow?
Sorry, I need them for tomorrow morning.
No problem, I will write it down.
2 loaves of bread, please.
Can I have your name, please?
My name is Ali.
Thank you, Mr. Ali.
I will come at 9 to collect.
It is reserved. Bread will be ready, fresh and warm.
That is very helpful.
We are happy to serve you.
Excuse me, this milk carton is open.
Open? You mean it is empty?
No, the box is broken at the top.
Oh, I see now. I am very sorry.
Can I change it for another one, please?
Of course, please take a new one.
Thank you for helping me quickly.
No problem at all, sir.
It happens sometimes with packaging.
Yes, we will check the stock again.
That is good service.
Thank you. We try our best.
How much is this bag of rice?
It is $12.
12 or $20?
$12 only, not 20.
Okay, I will pay in cash.
Do you need a bag for it?
Yes, please, 1 bag is fine.
Here you are, packed and ready.
Thank you very much for the service.
You are most welcome.
Do you give change?
Yes, here is your change.
What tea do you recommend today?
Green tea is very good and healthy.
Is it sweet tea already?
No, but you can add sugar if you like.
Is this tea popular with customers?
Yes, many people buy it every week.
Okay, I will try this box.
Good choice. It is fresh and nice.
Thank you for your advice.
You are very welcome.
Do you also have black tea?
Yes, it is on the next shelf.
This shop is always very clean.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
The vegetables are always fresh.
We bring them every morning from the market.
Prices are also fair and good.
We try our best to keep them low.
I really enjoy shopping here.
We are happy to hear that from you.
I will definitely come again.
Please do. You are always welcome.
I will tell my friends too.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Excuse me, does this cake have nuts?
Nuts? Do you mean fruits inside?
No, I mean peanuts specifically.
Oh, I understand now. Let me check.
I cannot eat peanuts, it is dangerous.
This cake has no peanuts at all.
Thank you very much for checking.
You are welcome. Try this one. It is safe.
Good. I will take it then.
Enjoy your cake with tea.
That makes me feel safe.
Your health is very important to us.
Excuse me, where is the mosque?
The mosque is near the park.
Near the market or the park?
Near the park, just 5 minutes walk.
Do I go left from here?
Yes, left and then straight ahead.
Thank you very much for guiding me.
You are most welcome.
I think I will find it now.
Have a good day and safe walk.
The directions are very clear.
I'm glad I could help you.
That is all I need today.
Okay, thank you for shopping here.
I will come again tomorrow.
We're open at 9 in the morning.
Good. I will see you then.
See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye. You're always welcome here.
Goodbye. I enjoyed the service today.
Thank you. We hope to see you again. Hey, are you watching us right now?
Yeah, they are, but I think they forgot something.
Oh, right. Did you subscribe to our channel?
Go ahead. It's just one click, and you'll never miss a new conversation.